Yo, got a 12-piece chicken McNugget here from FTP, 12 item order. Finally arrived. I think it took about like a month and a half. People were just complaining about shipping, and yeah, took a while. I'm used to it already. Ordered from Antisocial before, and it took a while. FTP, Vernon, California. Let's see what I got. Take a look. Big freaking order in here. First up, FTP t-shirt right there with a skull. Size medium. FTP. This, my order guide. Packing slip. They're finally here. Another one is FTPT, size medium. Go, black. So, FTP, collab, one sticker. More stickers. They threw in a lot of stickers. Same ones though. Yo, give me something new. Same stickers. FTP, this one should be the Damier passport holder. Let's open it up. It's right here. Open this. See what it's looking like. Here it is, FTP in black. FTP, got the population. Yeah, this is it. Wallet, the passport. Definitely use that for traveling. FTP. This is the heaviest item. It's that cooler. FTP on it. All black. Good for sport items during sport time. Got a FTP combination lock. FTP. There you go. Bing bang. Another FTP t-shirt in a medium black. Same sticker, nothing new. This one is embossed, the logo T, black medium, FTP, black embossed. Next one we have, what is a bulletproof vest tee, medium black. Oh. FTP Glock case in black. FTP on there. This one. Huge box. Huge box. Next up, we got is Boris bobblehead. Bang. Then we have another one. Spook bobblehead. Last but not least, from this big box, you saw his latest IG post. He was saying he doesn't hire any other workers, only his friends, so that's what I was thinking. So so dang long. We have this one here, FTP. This is the lava lamp. Not gonna take it out, but this is a FTP lava lamp I picked up. But yeah, quick pickups here. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't got your order, hopefully you guys do soon. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.